Not record. Thanks a lot, children. You have reminded me. Thank you. You also remind me record करने का है. मैं भूल गया. आपको सामने देखने पर भूल गया. So in the case of, we are just repeating because recording has not happened. Inferior goods, income elasticity is negative in the case of inferior goods. Because when income increases, people buy less. So it is negative. Normal goods are classified into three. One is necessary, other is comfort, third is luxury. Inferior, normal goods are divided into three: necessity, comforts, and luxury. And what did I say in the case of necessary goods? When the income increases, necessary goods ko kya hoga? People will buy more. So it is positive, but it is less than 1. It is less than 1. Abhi koi bolo mere ko, why it is less than 1? In the case of necessary goods, income elasticity is less than 1. What is the reason? Why it is less than 1? मैंने आपको एग्जाम्पल दिया दूध का. So less than 1 होने का रीजन क्या है? जितना इनकम इंक्रीज होता है पूरा स्पेंड नहीं करेगा. I told you income is increasing by 1,000 rupees. पूरा 1,000 rupees मिल्क के ऊपर स्पेंड नहीं करेगा, but 100 rupees जरूर मिल्क के ऊपर एक्स्ट्रा स्पेंड करेगा. That is why it is positive but less than 1. Necessary goods का एग्जाम्पल मैंने कौन सा दिया? Milk, any of the vegetables, milk, whatever we are buying daily. Correct. Now comforts. ये देखो. These are the goods and services for which income elasticity is positive and equal to unity. Dekho, equal to unity. That means it is equivalent to 1. In the case of, in the case of comforts, you are right, children. Income elasticity is positive, equal to 1. But you, first and foremost, you tell me the example of comfort. Luxury अलग है, comfort अलग है. Comfort मतलब चाहिए, luxury मतलब उतना जरूरत नहीं है, चाहिए पर लेने का. That is luxury. लेकिन comfort का एक example दो. What is the meaning of comfort? Or what is the example of comfort? घर के लिए. Okay, for example, you take the case of fan. Fan is considered as an example of comfort. What's the meaning? Suppose आपका घर में छोटा रूम है लेकिन 2-3 rooms है. एक रूम में फैन नहीं है. One room in there is no fan. Now your income has increased. So आप क्या करेगा? You will buy that fan. Okay, the fan is costing say 2,000 rupees, but you will buy that fan. How much the income has increased, उतने amount तक आप खरीदेगा. एक fan खरीदेगा. Suppose that घर में मिक्सी जो use करता है वो बदली करने का है, वो बदली करेगा. Because these are all the comforts. ये तो normal life के लिए चाहिए. So that is why when the income increases, what does the people do? People buy the goods, and that is equivalent to unity. I told you unity means 1. What are the example of comforts? I told you can write the example. Example के साथ if you study it will be easy. I had given you the example of fan. Then I told you you can write the example of mixer. Mummy, you know coconut वगैरह grind करने के लिए use करते हैं ना mixer. जो normal items है, comforts. Or even you can take mobile. We are not talking about costly mobile. मम्मी के पास मोबाइल ही नहीं है. Your income has increased. Naturally, you will buy a mobile for your mother because she is not able to contact you. उसका कुछ जरूरत पड़ गया. How can she contact you? So normal mobile can be considered as a comfort. Okay. Then what about luxury? Very good, children. Excellent. Very good. Yes. Air condition is considered as an luxury. You are right. AC is considered. Air condition is the best example of luxury. Air conditioner. That is an example of luxury. उधर क्या है? Income velocity is positive. ये देखो, greater than 1. Income velocity is positive. Gray boys are not writing. Greater than 1. Unity means 1. बच्चे लोग पास नहीं होगा. उधर देखो, income velocity is positive. ये देखो, greater than unity. Greater than unity. Greater than unity means greater than 1. You tell me about the air conditioner. कोई example के साथ बोलो. Suppose your income has increased by 10,000 rupees. Okay, your company का performance is good. Your performance is good. Company is giving you salary hike of 10,000 rupees per month. So you are realizing that बहुत गर्मी है, इसलिए गर्मी एक रूम के लिए तो AC लेगा. You will ask the question, madam, AC किधर मिलेगा 10,000 में? I know that it is not available. Okay, let us assume AC का cost is 30,000. But I will buy. Means either I will buy for installment. 3 months में I will make the payment. Or I will use my credit card. Because I am happy now, my salary is increasing by 10,000. 3 months में I can pay that. That is the meaning it is greater than 1. Income increases by 10,000, but I will spend more than 10,000. I will spend more than 10,000. That is why the value is more than unity. I am repeating. Give me the example of luxury goods. Luxury goods का example मैंने कौन सा दिया? Air conditioner, right? How much income has increased? 10,000. That is also right. So AC is costing 30,000, 40,000, whatever it is. So मैं क्यों खरीदता है? Because I know that every month I will pay some amount. 3 months में that purchase payment will be completed. Salary increase होने के पहले I was not buying. Because I know that every month I cannot give 10,000 rupees extra. Now I can give. Another example, salary has increased or your income has increased. You are planning to buy a laptop. Nowadays, for the young children, we are telling you, buy the laptop whenever it is possible. Because today's world, desktop, except offices, nobody is using. Laptop is comfortable to carry. Mobile थोड़ा कम range होने पर भी चलेगा, but एक laptop होने पर it will be very useful to you. But you will ask the same question, madam, पैसा के लिए किधर जाएगा? I told you, suppose your income has increased, that is a condition. So when the income is increasing, laptop is costing say 35,000. I will pay that in 4 installment or 3 installment. I will purchase. So today, what all things did we study? First, you tell me what is income elasticity of demand. What is income elasticity of demand? Change in demand divided by change. Boys, you are not giving the answer. Change in income. Income change hota hai, then the demand is changing. That is known as income elasticity of demand. Then, in the case of given goods, in the case of inferior goods, what is income elasticity of demand? Is it positive or negative? Very good, it is negative. What is the reason, children? When income increases, what will happen? The demand, consumption will decrease. You are perfectly right. Either you are looking at me. When income increases, the consumption will decrease because it is inferior. I will be purchasing better goods. So it is negative. Then we have divided normal goods into 3: necessary, comforts, and luxury. So tell me, for necessary goods, what is income elasticity of demand? Positive and less than unity. Perfect. In the case of comforts, positive and equal to unity. Everybody has to give the answer. Equal to. In the case of luxury, positive and greater than unity. This greater than unity. 1 minute. Online children, could you understand? Chat box में डालो. Online children, could you understand income elasticity of demand? I want more answers. Yes. Oh, thank you, children. Very nice. There are 110 children in online. We are using the big version. ये देखो. This is the income elasticity of demand. This is the income elasticity of demand for normal goods. Draw the diagram. Income elasticity for normal goods. Who is that? इतना लेट क्यों आता है, my dear girl? आपका document submit किया? Okay, sit. No, I will take your attendance today so that we will cross check with the document submission. University is asking for documents. And October 25th, if I am right, university is going to arrange vaccination drive. You can tell your friends. जिसका एक हो गया, they can go for the next one. जिसका नहीं हुआ, they can also go. This is upward sloping. Look here. ये देखने पर x-axis में we are marking the goods. Y-axis we are marking income. Y-axis it is income. How did I draw? Like this. I have drawn like that. It is positively sloped. ये देखने पर आपको समझ में आएगा. This is normal good. How did I understand? Because income YED, it is standing for income elasticity. YED is income elasticity. So you can see the curve is upward sloping. What does it mean? When income increases, demand also increases. When income increases, demand also increases. That is why it is upward sloping. I am repeating. When income increases, demand, go there. When income increases, demand also increases. When income increases, demand also increases. When income increases, demand also increases. ये देखो, this is backward bending. This is in the case of a diagram. देखो, I will draw the diagram for you again. It is backward bending. A कौन सा good से children? Inferior or given good. Inferior, or some girls are not listening. Inferior or given good. How did I draw? You can see here. ये देखो, backward bending. पीछे जाता है. Again I am drawing left hand. It is going backward. It is going backward. Backward bending. It can be downward sloping also, both the manner. It is backward bending. Exam में backward bending diagram देगा and they will ask you to identify. So the goods are inferior. The goods are inferior. How did you understand? आप इधर देखो. 1 minute, I will use highlighter. Exact. Suppose this is the income. ये देखो. This is the quantity demanded. I am just writing this is income. अभी आप देखो, income is increasing. ये देखो, income increase हो गया. Quantity demanded decrease हो गया. देखो आप. Quantity demanded decrease हो गया. You can see. Can you see? Income increase हो गया. Quantity demanded decrease हो गया. Because it is inferior goods. That is why it is backward bending. Take down that point. Income elasticity for inferior good is backward bending. Income elasticity for inferior good is backward bending. Income elasticity for inferior good is backward bending. Here I am just writing for your understanding, same thing. This is the income elasticity for normal goods. It is positive. When income increases, demand also increases. ड्रॉ किया गया, नीचे जो ड्रॉ करता है ये देखो, दिस इज बैकवर्ड बेंडिंग, पीछे जाता है। ओके, दिस इज income elasticity is negative, inferior goods. Then inferior goods के लिए income elasticity can be downward sloping also. Both are right. Either also YD is negative. YD is negative. It can be backward bending or it can be downward sloping. Why there are two diagrams? Backward bending में we will be showing inferior good on the y-axis. Downward sloping में we will show it on the x-axis. That is the only difference. It can be backward bending or it can be downward sloping. Good children. Online children, keep it up. Did you understand the diagram? Online wala likho. Aap log bhi, you can tell me diagram, could you understand? Okay, you have to practice it. Online children, right? There are so many children in the class. Okay, very good. Start coming to college soon. Now we will deal with cross elasticity of demand. One minute, I'm just, that slide has gone. Yes, children, I'm showing 1 minute because recording is going on. No, I cannot go for the backward direction. That's the problem. Okay, I hope you can see now. Online वाला किधर गया? Online. Online children, you have not seen. Children, can you see now? Online children? Okay. By the way, I hope you are remembering or you will have to recollect. Cross elasticity, first you take down. Cross elasticity will happen only for interrelated goods. Cross elasticity will happen only for interrelated goods. Cross elasticity can occur only for interrelated goods. What do you mean by interrelated goods? Either the goods should be a substitute or it should be complementary. Either the goods should be substitutes or it should be complementary. That is very clear. when we speak about income elasticity, cross elasticity, it is very clear that either goods should be substitute or goods should be complementary. ये दोनों केस में ही cross elasticity होगा. And if you are remembering, देखो what is cross elasticity? ये देखो आप percentage change in quantity demanded of X. Quantity demanded of X. ये देखो percentage change in quantity demanded of commodity X due to change in the price of commodity Y. Very very important. Commodity Y का price change हो गया, commodity X का demand change होता है. Generally, how do we teach? When the price of commodity X changes, demand for commodity X changes. But in this case, देखो आप percentage change in quantity demanded of commodity X changes. What is the reason? Price of Y has changed. So what is changing here is the other commodities price. Okay, in the case of commodity Y, when that price is changing, demand for X is changing. That's the reason I told you the goods must be related. Otherwise, like अमेरिका में जो कुछ हो गया, इंडिया में वो होने का जरूरत है नहीं, provided that we are not depending on each other. So when the goods are depending on each other, when the price of X changes, demand for Y will change. So exam mein what is more important, children? Change in the quantity demanded of commodity X due to change in the price of commodity Y. That is very, very important. I am giving you the example. Okay, let us come here. I will rub this so that you will get some place. You have to tell me. Suppose that price of tea increases. Suppose price of tea increases. You tell me what will happen to demand for coffee. Think and give. What will happen to demand for coffee? Increase होगा या decrease होगा? Increase होगा. The price of tea increases, demand for coffee will increase because tea and coffee are substitute. Tea and coffee are substitute. आप बोलेगा मैडम मैं कॉफी ड्रिंक ही नहीं करता है, then you are not included. You should be using both. I don't take tea, so I am not included in this. Suppose you are using both. When the price of tea increases, आप क्या करेगा? Tea नहीं लेगा, but instead you will be using coffee. So when the price of X increases, demand for Y increases. Demand for Y increases. देखो आप दूसरा commodity का demand increase होता है. You have to be very careful. Online children, okay, very good children. You have given the correct answer. Keep it up. Good. So another example, I told you, substitute ka any example we can tell. Suppose that the price of, Vodafone ka SIM card. Okay, price of Vodafone ka SIM card increased. हम क्या करेगा? प्राइस ऑफ वोडाफोन का सिम कार्ड इंक्रीज होने पर एयरटेल का यूज को क्या होगा? इतना टाइम क्यों लेता है? प्राइस ऑफ वोडाफोन सिम कार्ड हैज इंक्रीज्ड, सो व्हाट यू विल डू? एयरटेल यूज करेगा, सो द डिमांड फॉर एयरटेल विल इंक्रीज. लिखो द डिमांड फॉर एयरटेल विल इंक्रीज. प्राइस ऑफ वोडाफोन इंक्रीजेस. सिम कार्ड, वोडाफोन सिम कार्ड, बॉयज समझ में आता है? प्राइस ऑफ वोडाफोन सिम कार्ड इंक्रीजेस. So demand for Airtel will increase. Demand for Airtel will increase because they are substitute. They are substitute. I hope you have written. अभी देखो इधर मैंने क्या लिखा है. Cross elasticity for substitute is positive. Very, very important. True or false में आएगा, fill in the blanks में आएगा. Cross elasticity for substitute is positive. What do you mean by that? When the price of X increases, demand for Y increases. Substitute. Don't get confused. Substitute अलग है, complementary goods अलग है. So this is substitute. Now let us come back here. I will rub this. Now let us take the case of complementary goods. What is happening now? Price of petrol increases. अभी petrol का क्या price है? सुना नहीं? हाँ, 112. You are perfectly right. कौन आया? हाँ, 1. Okay, okay. Time is over. You did not tell me. Children, I am stopping the recording. I will share that and